behind the zoo, but I'm in the forest. So we're gonna take a little trail here.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay.
And walk down. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's do it intro. So, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our family vlog channel. Yes, you know it's a girl Lisa right here. I got Javier with me, but he already gone on the trail, so I'm about to go catch him up back with his granny and his cousin. So what we're about to do today is that we're gonna do a nature vlog today. So I'm gonna take you guys on a walk with me through the jungle, guys, the jungle. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to run come over to our family vlog channel. We're going on with a lot of good content. Yes. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, please. And guys, I want you guys to run over to Siobhan Lifestyle and, you know, go tell him say Lisa send you. Just go support him, subscribe to him channel, tell him I'm me sending him over there. Okay, watch out the video, you know, watch the little watch time and all. Guys, if you don't watch out the video, are we gonna get watch time? So please go over there and show him some love, show him some support, guys, please. So his name again once more is Siobhan Lifestyle. Yes, he's going on with good stuff. He's doing a lot of nice videos. You know, if you guys go over there, you guys could see. So please go ahead and give him some support. So let's go on this little trail. Let's see what's going on in the woods. So come on, guys, let's show you all. So yes, guys, I'm outside. We outside. So this is the forest. Guys, we could do a picnic here. They got a little picnic area over there. This way over there, so we could do a picnic. Let me see the trail. Picnic. Alright, come on guys, let's go because I don't want to last. So yeah. Why? Let me hear a mosquito already. Come on here, a mosquito in my ears. Like seriously. Alrighty. People. Let's go on a adventure with me. Let's show you guys a tree. Here sound like some rattlesnake though. Boy. My coward. He's a scary girl, you know, guys. Look on first. Me I come in at the bush. Hey. I never been in a bush in New Jersey. Never. This is my first time going in bushes like this. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video. So yes, they got a landmark right here. Yeah. And there's a sign saying South Mountain over there. Yeah, so they got so if you don't want to lose, you could scan the bar on the tree so you won't get lost in the woods. But guys, look at this. You got two parts. So I'm going left, not right, left, because the kids, they already gone left. So come on guys, see, you could see the landmarks on the trees. Yes. It's a little family vlog adventure. Guys, like I said, this woods is behind the Turtle Back zoo. So wow, the breeze is so beautiful. Woo! Why am I not telling a lie? It look like, say guys, it's like a lot of rocks over here. Be careful, man, broke no foot. Yeah. So I think the kids them already gone. Oh my God, look how far Javi. Damn, guys. I think one more trail is around that side, but I'm not going over there. Yeah. The breeze is pretty amazing. Me not go too far, fellas. And then me go see what me know fi see. Hey, trouble. So them I come back here, guys. And see, guys, they got one more landmark right here on the trees. See that? Yes. And the kids is way down there. Hear the wind, guys? Okay. See, guys, I'm in the bush. I'm in the woods. Why? Would I say forest? I'm in the forest. Okay? I'm in the forest. What is that? Huh? Guys, I'm in the forest. Yes. Right? The place look. It's okay, they treat them. They alright, they're not too closey, but this is something me I run, you know, me not tell a lie. Me I take foot and run. Cause I don't wanna lost and I don't wanna get no those little things that crawl along. There's just yes, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah guys, hope you're enjoying this vlog with nature. This is nature. Yes, beautiful Jersey. I'm not gonna further. I'm still right this one. Go further. So guys, make sure stay. Gonna like, share, subscribe. Remember stay, like I said, please go over to Siobhan Lifestyle, showing some support. Tell him say Lisa said no. Yeah. I'm showing you a Christmas tree. There's a Christmas tree right there behind the sticks and stone. Guys, let me take you back to the front of this place because good, you know, I see nothing. I run a come and she take foot and run gone, you know. And I like me say be a mosquito. Come with me carry no over the park with the picnic and all these things. I'm here so something in the tracer. So catch go what already, you know. Huh. Hear that guys? Listen. I don't know if it's a tree going on like that or a snake, rattlesnake. You know rattlesnake? I goes and shake the tail. I don't know if they're going on like that. That's crazy. Okay, let's go back out. Boom. Hear the guys, hear the. How would that come from? Guys, please comment down below. Please comment down below and tell me what y'all think about that sound. Comment down below and tell me what sound is that. Is it a snake or the tree balling like that? Hey. Guys, me hear one bear. I come in at the woods. Come on. Hey, Chopper. I take on yourself. Let me hear something. Look in this. Right nice. Wow. My gun. Ooh. Mad. I'm not trigger. Chiro green. Do I think with him. I don't remember. But anyways, cut. Guys, I'm back in the car because there's a lot of mosquito out there. So guys, one of them fly by my ears and then one fly by my face, then one fly by my hand. No, we can't take them, some of them. So I'm come back in the car because my head is killing me, like my brain is swollen. Like I'm gonna have a terrible headache, guys. A terrible headache. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me all what y'all think about this little mini vlog that I did in the woods. Please comment and drop a likes. Share, guys, please share. Okay, and please watch out the video. Okay, bye guys, bye, peace out.